Matplot rotate labels horizontally. Using matplot to create a little gauge with the code below. I am trying to get the labels to go horizontally and align with the midpoint of each wedge like this, but with the text inside the wedges. Using rotate a label equals true, I get the following. Any ideas on how I can achieve the horizontal rotation of the labels for the graph?
You need to rotate the pie labels manually. To this end you may loop over the labels and set the rotation to your needs.
My solution is basically similar to the accepted answer by importance of being earnest. But I think the steps involved are easier to grasp. The resulting image.
Precision